All right, so we have our frozen carrots and our canned potatoes in our 9x13, and now I'm seasoning this up with a little bit of Kinder's The Blend, which contains salt, pepper, and garlic. Now you can use fresh veggies if you prefer. Now I have my 4.5-pound raw chicken that we're gonna place right on top of our veggies. I have a stick of salted butter that we're gonna put into our chicken just like so. A whole bulb of garlic that we're also gonna throw in there. I'm using my gloves so we can really get everything nice and tucked. This is gonna add some great flavor to our chicken, and that butter and that garlic is just gonna mend together for the best flavor. All right, we need to make sure this is stuffed. Beautiful. For herbs, I'm gonna grab my fresh thyme, and we're gonna go ahead and just like we did with the butter and the garlic, we are putting that right into our chicken because herbs just really complete this. But we're not done yet. I have some fresh rosemary as well, and you can adjust this to your liking, adding whatever herbs you like, some basil, some sage, but I think rosemary and thyme are just the perfect for our chicken. Look how beautiful that is. And that is not enough butter, so I'm gonna grab one more stick of butter, and this is the extra creamy that we let soften a little bit. And we're gonna go ahead and unwrap this. Oh, we got some of that melted butter on there. That's totally fine. Grab what we can and smother what we can't. And now we are going to just press that softened butter right into our chicken the best we can. Flip this over so that we can get the other side covered in butter. Be careful to make sure nothing falls out. Oh, this is gonna be so delicious. And for seasoning, we're gonna grab our poultry seasoning, and we're gonna season this generously on both sides. But just like the seasonings for the veggies, you can season this however you like. And that butter is just gonna help that seasoning get on here and make sure that this gets a nice sear in the oven. Now we're gonna go ahead and flip this over so that we can season it on the other side, just like we did right before. Make sure all that stays in there. Beautiful. Bring back our poultry seasoning and season this side. Gotta make sure you season both sides so that we get a nice flavorful chicken. Oh my goodness. All right, and I think that is ready. Our chicken dinner is gonna go in the oven at 375 for about 1 hour to 1.5 hours. Oh my. This looks so delicious. We made sure to temp it. It is above 165. Oh, we let it rest for a couple minutes, but it is time. It's time to dig in. Usually I am not the one to carve, so do not judge my methods. Oh, that is perfectly cooked. Go ahead and get that on our plate. Oh, and then we're gonna get some of those veggies with all that buttery goodness. We'll start with this because it's really, really hot and probably needs to rest longer, but let's go ahead and try. Best part. Oh yeah, that's it, you guys. You're gonna love this chicken.